Okay, Kirk, this is Scott Marrier. He is the owner of Lake Lounger, and he's going to go through and explain a little bit of the differences between his product and what you're looking at now.
Okay, how you doing? First of all, we're fanatics for quality. It sounds like you're going to do commercial use with this or for your city or etc. have equipment on it. So we do some things that nobody in the industry's done. I designed boat hulls for about a dozen different companies. And the first thing I want to talk about is quality. We use, well, you like vinyl flooring, which for your application would be, I think, very, very important. We actually use 3/4 inch marine grade plywood floors. We run cross members underneath this deck anywhere from 14 to 16 inches apart. On center, most pontoons, if you're looking at them, you're going to find the cross members are 24 inch on center. I'm going to actually take you underneath this Lake Lounger shortly and talk about it, because we also use a lot of 1/4 inch C-channel. If you're going to abuse this thing, you got to have the quality. Number two, we run 25 inch logs. I'm going to repeat that, 25s. This literally floats in about 10, 11 inches of water. It's rated for 9 adults, so it has huge capacities. Our logs are just short of 16 feet. The deck is 13 feet, and so we want to give you the ability to a lot of capacity with your unit. Our fencing on here is also, this is all aluminum. This unit only weighs about roughly 1,000 to 1,100 pounds, plus your equipment. But we like stainless steel. So this is actually an aluminum product here, excuse me. We powder coat it so it has a very durable finish to it. All the cables are stainless steel on here, and each one of these cables, just so you know, is rated for 800 pounds. And Jamie, you can see the tighteners on here. Again, this is all stainless steel. These are torqued. These meet all deck codes. If you're going to put a deck on your house, they have to be a certain distance apart. We're going to go up on top of the Lake Lounger. These are also 8.5 feet wide. We sell a lot of these to handicapped people, people in wheelchairs, those kind of issues where they got to have a lot of stability. And because of the 25s, 8.5 log, 8.5 width, you have a really good platform to work off of. Once you get back on the pontoon, these are 4x4 posts on here. There's a massive bolt underneath, which I'm going to show you. They do come standard with power tops. If you don't want a top for some reason, you can take that off. But this is a power top. The button is located underneath here, so it's hard to get at, hard to break. So you can have shade, quickly if you choose. The transoms back here are grossly overbuilt. I don't know how you're going to power this, but you can put up to a 25 horse tiller on it. If we run trolling motors, we put them inside the transoms. We and we rig them with onboard charging systems, batteries, interstate batteries. You charge it with a 110 plug-in, so just plug your extension cord in and you're done. If your first battery dies, you just flip your switch and it goes to the backup power. So you always have 1 or 2 batteries powering the system, depending on if it's 12 or 24 volt systems. If you go to a 24 volt system, then you're going to run into a 4 battery system, because you always got to have backup power in our world. And this kind of setup, 4 batteries, 24 volt system, usually will run 2-3 days, depends on how hard you run them, how much you use them. But you can also put it up to a 25 horse outboard, tiller only, which we can help you with as well. This transom, just to give you an idea, we've actually put a scale on this, 2 pickup trucks. And from a pull standpoint, pushing down, pushing up, all 3 directions, it's over 3,000 pounds of weight. We've never broken one, but we know it'll go that high. So for you, quality is going to be a huge issue. You can get ropes on here if you want for safety between the doors and the openings. They come with, 1 in the back. Side we have 2. If you want to add more, you can. The short front rails in the front are 24 inches tall. These are designed where you can, we call them butt rails, you can lean against them. And you'll also see, these are, we have cup holders all the way around. We have 3 on each section. So cleats are stainless steel on here. If you come back to the front, Jamie, you can see them. So if you want to tie something off to this, again, it's all stainless steel cleats. Now what you're seeing is a detachable bracket. And I'm going to show you how that works on a lake lounger over here. These are designed where if you want to anchor them with 2-inch pipe, you just simply pull this pin out.